Welcome everyone.
I am Abhinav Misra and today I am going to tell you about the different parts of the sail. So those who have not viewed the video for the MB plow parts, so you can go to the description box and I have given the link and you can see the parts of the MB plow, different parts of the MB plow. So in this video I am going to tell the parts of the sail. So basically this is your sail. Okay, this is your sail. So as I have told you that in the previous video I have also mentioned that this is the sail, and the sail has, what is the function of the sail? The sail function is that it helps to make horizontal cut below the surface.
So basically it has 6 parts.
So what are the parts I am telling you? You can see this point. This point is known as the point of the sail. Okay, or sail point is known as the sail point or point of the sail. Okay, this front part is known as the cutting edge of the sail. Then this part coming to this corner, this is known as the wing of the sail. This part is known as the wing bearing. This part is known as the sheen of the sail or cleavage edge. You can call it as cleavage edge or your sheen. And finally, this one is known as the gunnel of the sail. Okay. So let me tell you the different function of the different parts of the sail. So this is known as the point of the sail, which is mainly responsible for penetrating this sail into the soil. Okay. So this point is mainly responsible for penetrating the sail into the soil, is known as the point of the sail. Okay. You can see this bar. I will tell you about this bar afterwards. So this bar is also the part of the sail, right? So this point and this bar, this actually penetrate into the soil. Next come to this part. This part is known as the cutting edge of the sail. Now the cutting edge of sail is mainly responsible for making horizontal cut below the surface. Okay. So the cutting edge is responsible for making horizontal cut below the surface. And then comes to the wing of the sail. Okay. So this is known as the wing of the sail. Now wing of the sail, you can see it helps to support the plow bottom. Okay. So it just helps to support the plow bottom. Next comes to the outer end of the wing. It is known as wing bearing. Okay.
Wing bearing is the level portion of the wing of the sail, providing a bearing for the outer corner of the plow bottom.
And this part, or the opposite to the cutting edge, this part is known as the cleavage edge or sheen. Now this part is the part which actually joins with the mold board. Okay, now this is the mold board I have told you. The mold board and the sail are joined at this part. Okay, and this part is responsible, you can say, for joining of this MB plow, or you can say the soil is actually transferred from this part to the mold board plow. Right? And lastly, I'll tell you this part. This part is known as the gunnel. Okay. Now you can see over here the remaining part. We can say you can vertical face. If I will remove this bar, you can see like a vertical face of the sail. Okay. It actually is one. You can say one of the vertical face of the sail is known as the gunnel, which is mainly responsible for taking the thrust from the forwall. Okay, so it will slide along the forwall and it will take the thrust from the forwall and support the plow bottom also. Okay, so these are the parts of the sail. Okay, now talking about this point of the sail I was talking. Okay, so normally your sail are of 4 types. Okay, one is you can say sheen sail, then slip nose sail, slip nose sail, then you're known as the sheen sail and your bar point sail. Okay. So slip sail, mainly what is this slip sail? I just want to tell you. Slip sail is you can say the single part or a single piece of sail. Okay. Normally used in the animal drawn MB plow. So once the sail is broken, you have to just change the whole part of the sail. So that is the slip sail. Slip nose sail is the, you can say, one kind of attachment is given to the sail
if the attachment is broken, then you have to change the share. Okay, you have to change the attachment. You have to don't change the whole share, or you can say the slip knot share is the advantages over the slip share. Okay, and thirdly, the third one is the seam share. Now some extension is given on this seam portion. Okay, that means you can use this extension if the share is broken. So that is known as the seam share. And finally, you can say the bar point share, which is available over here. This is one kind of share. So in the last video, I have told you about the lancet. This is the lancet, and you can see one bar is just extended over here. Okay. Now this is known as the bar point share. Now what is that? You can see this point of the share. To protect this point of the share, one bar is there, which is extended. Okay, so extended behind, and you can see one. It is jointed with your nut and bolt, right? So if this point actually breaks, you can just adjust it. You can push it forward, and you can adjust the length of this bar point share, and you can protect your share. So this bar point share is responsible for protecting the share. Okay, and once this is broken, you can adjust it. So these are the, you can say, the different parts of the share. So I am telling you, revising the things again. Point of the share, cutting edge, wing of the share, wing bearing, then this is known as the sheen, okay, or the cleavage edge, and this is your gunnel. Okay, and this bar is there, and because of this bar, this share is known as also bar point share. Okay, so thank you very much.